Okay, so yesterday was something. I wanted to study because midterms are coming up, but I didn't really get to that. And you know, mentally, right now, I'm deciding that today, this Saturday, October 5th, is going to be my little Saturday reset. I woke up an hour ago, it's 11, and guys, I'm just gonna take care of myself today and hopefully get some things done. Okay, here I have my little 2025 planner. This is so cute, honestly, I love it. It gives you like the calendar and you can write little notes. So for Saturday, we're gonna redo my nails. I did paint them black, but they washed off like immediately, after a few days. And you know what, I think I'm just gonna do like a little maroon purple color instead. And then I'm planning to go thrifting today, so that might be like a separate video. Um, Same thing with studying because I have to get that done, guys. I want to pass my test. And then face care, I might like drink some tea later. I don't have the water for that because my water pitcher, all right, get these in college, it really helped, but my water pitcher is filtering water for me right now. And I have the project to do for school, which I'm gonna start today and then finish tomorrow because you can't do everything in one day. So I think I'm gonna start with face care. Yeah, I love skincare. So on the right, we have all my little face care products, and then here we have like, body and scent care, but we're not focused on that. This is what we're using. Serum, not gonna use this for a while until I have to go out. This is my face mask. Yes, I'm using clay. I do have the ones that just like, go on your face and you can peel them off, but I want to use this one right now. I like this one. And then obviously to wash it first and to moisturize. Okay, so it takes about 15 minutes for my pitcher to fully filter the water, so let's go on to nails. Okay, it's hour 3 of being awake, and I have 52 minutes to get ready before we go thrifting. Hilarious. Okay, so we've either got white shirt and jeans, or, you know, overall dress and yellow shirt. For them both, actually. You know what? It's adorable, but I kind of feel like a minion, so I'm gonna switch it out with screen shirt. Okay, that's a little more mellow. Chamomile, right here. Okay, got a lot of time left. I feel like wearing these today. Almost forgot. Okay, currently braiding my hair and packing my little bag. Wait, okay, I actually really like skirts, so these are making me happy. Wait, no, there was something that I liked here. Oh. Why are these so pretty though? We're in the fitting room right now. Try them all on. Okay. And now we're leaving. It's a bird, it's a bird, it's a bird. There it goes. Not funny. Okay. Okay, what a day, honestly. It has been about 3 hours since I left, honestly. And here, we're gonna do a little bit of a shopping haul. So let me get my chair out, and let me show you guys what I got. So from Uptown Cheapskate, we have a little hair bow. Okay, back of the hair, oh, it's actually really cute. I love hair pieces, okay, so much. And then I just wanted to get some basics, so I got this red shirt, because I realized that I don't actually have a lot of those. I have a lot of whites and blacks, but not a lot of actual more colors than that. And then from Ross, we have this little red, button-up sweater. It's good for upcoming fall because this is Vlogtober. I love that. And then we also got this other really nice sweater. Okay, knitted. Crochet. It's crocheted. And then we got black shirt. I like this. I don't know what it is, but it's giving old money. I'm not gonna lie. And then finally, I saw this and I saw it on Pinterest too, a couple of times, and I was like, you know what, might be a really good buy. This little start. Oh, I actually love that so much. So this last piece is my shopping haul, and yeah, we're not done with the day yet, of course. We finished thrifting, and now we have to start our evening study. But you're wondering, do I have to do yes, I do. I made a commitment. Yes, I do. Okay, it is 9 o'clock now. I'm beginning my little study session, and there will be a separate video for this, I'm sure, because I'm gonna go to bed in an hour. I'm tired, and tomorrow's a busy day. But yeah, now I'm gonna start studying for my midterms.